The relationship between a Schnauzer and water is a multifaceted one, as varied and individual as the Schnauzers themselves. While the breed standard doesn't explicitly define an affinity or aversion to aquatic environments, their inherent traits, their robust build, intelligence, and working dog heritage, coupled with individual experiences and socialization, shape their engagement with all things wet. Understanding these nuances is crucial for owners seeking to introduce their wiry companions to water activities, whether for practical reasons like bathing or for recreational enjoyment. Do you have a Schnauzer? Does he like any relation with water? Share your story in the comments. We want to know it. Then be ready for our story about dog relationship with water. The Schnauzer lineage, particularly the standard and giant varieties, hints at a certain level of practicality and adaptability that could translate to an acceptance, if not an outright love, of water. Schnauzers, bred as versatile farm dogs in Germany, they were expected to perform various tasks, which might have occasionally involved navigating streams or dealing with damp conditions. Their dense, wiry coat, while requiring regular grooming, offers a degree of natural protection against the elements, including water. This coat, when properly maintained, can act as a barrier, preventing the skin from becoming waterlogged too quickly and providing some insulation in cooler temperatures. However, the miniature Schnauzer, while sharing the same spirited and intelligent nature, was primarily bred as a ratter and companion. Their historical duties may not have necessitated the same level of water exposure as their larger counterparts. Consequently, their initial inclination towards water might be more dependent on individual personality and early experiences. Individual temperament plays a significant role in a Schnauzer's relationship with water. Some Schnauzers exhibit a natural curiosity and enthusiasm for splashing in puddles, retrieving toys from lakes, or even enjoying a good swim. Their playful nature and eagerness to please their owners can make them amenable to water-based activities, especially when introduced positively and gradually. These water-loving Schnauzers can become enthusiastic participants in dock diving, canine swimming lessons, or simply joyful companions on a lakeside stroll. Conversely, other Schnauzers may display a distinct aversion to water. This reluctance can stem from various factors, including negative early experiences, a general preference for staying dry, or simply a lack of exposure during their formative puppyhood. The sensation of being wet, the feeling of restricted movement in water, or even the sound of splashing can be unsettling for some individuals. Forcing a water-averse Schnauzer into aquatic environments can create fear and anxiety, potentially damaging the bond with their owner and making future introductions even more challenging. Early and positive socialization is paramount in shaping a Schnauzer's attitude towards water. Introducing puppies to water in a gentle and playful manner, associating it with positive experiences like treats and praise, can foster a comfortable and even enjoyable relationship with aquatic environments. Allowing them to explore shallow water at their own pace, making it a fun game rather than a forced immersion, can build positive associations. Exposure to different types of water, puddles, shallow streams, kiddie pools, can also help them become more adaptable. Training also plays a crucial role in managing a Schnauzer's interaction with water. For those who enjoy swimming, teaching them basic water safety commands, such as wait, come, and how to exit the water safely, is essential. For those who are less enthusiastic, training can focus on tolerance for necessary water-related activities like bathing. Using positive reinforcement techniques, such as high-value treats and praise, can help them associate bathing with positive outcomes, making the process less stressful for both dog and owner. Bathing is an inevitable part of Schnauzer ownership, given their wiry coat and tendency to accumulate dirt and debris. Introducing the bathing process early and making it a positive experience is crucial. Using lukewarm water, gentle dog-specific shampoo, and offering treats and praise can help a Schnauzer learn to tolerate, if not enjoy, bath time. The texture of their wiry coat requires thorough wetting and rinsing, which can be a point of contention for water-averse individuals. Patience and consistency are key to making bath time a manageable routine. Beyond bathing, responsible ownership also involves being mindful of water safety around the home and during outdoor excursions. Schnauzers, like all dogs, should never be left unsupervised near pools, ponds, or other bodies of water. While some may be strong swimmers, others may struggle or panic if they accidentally fall in. Teaching them how to find and use pool exits is a vital safety precaution for households with swimming pools. During walks or hikes near water sources, it's important to keep a Schnauzer on a leash unless in a designated off-leash area where their recall is reliable. Their natural curiosity and prey drive might lead them to venture into potentially dangerous waters. Being aware of water conditions, such as strong currents or hidden obstacles, is also crucial for ensuring their safety. The size and specific breed of Schnauzer can also influence their interaction with water. Giant Schnauzers, with their substantial size and strength, might be more naturally inclined towards activities like swimming, provided they have positive early experiences. Miniature Schnauzers, being smaller, might be more hesitant about deep water but could still enjoy splashing in shallow areas. Standard Schnauzers typically fall somewhere in between, their adaptability often depending heavily on individual personality and training. In conclusion, the relationship between a Schnauzer and water is a spectrum, ranging from enthusiastic aquatic adventurers to decidedly land-loving companions. While their wiry coat offers some natural protection, their individual temperament, early socialization, and consistent training are the primary determinants of their affinity or aversion to water. Responsible owners understand and respect their Schnauzer's individual preferences, introducing water activities gradually and positively, and prioritizing safety in all aquatic environments. Whether a Schnauzer becomes a water-loving enthusiast or simply tolerates bath time, a patient and understanding approach will foster a stronger bond and ensure a more positive experience for both the wiry companion and their human family. The key lies in recognizing the individual within the breed and tailoring interactions with water to their specific needs and comfort levels. And this is exactly what we did with our little Schnauzer, Dachshund dog. Firstly, we figured what was his relationship with water. It was during his first rain, when as a puppy he needed his bathroom time outside, he ran out, and when he felt rain falling on him he immediately made a U-turn. Eventually called by nature, he just walked under the roof to limit his contact with water. There were other instances, when he tried to go out to stop at the open door when met by the rain. Bath after bath he got used to the bath, shampoo, and personal massage, so now he even enjoys it. However, with many attempts to dip his little paws in the ocean, we are still facing this challenge. When walking on the beach he just follows the rhythm of the waves. It is as he was playing, but he is not. Considering that he has some of the Dachshund blood, it shouldn't surprise anybody. Their long bodies and short legs make them poor swimmers. They can tire quickly and struggle to stay afloat. We hope we inspire you to share your experience with your dog and water. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Remember to like and share this video with other dogs lovers. We will appreciate it. And subscribe to our channel too. Thank you.